What's the meaning of combining form? Combining form. Combining form.
Combining form. Combining form. A combining form is a linguistic element that is added to a word root to create a new word with a specific meaning. It allows for the creation of complex scientific and technical terminology, particularly in fields such as medicine and biology. Combining forms typically indicate a part of speech or a specific concept related to the word root. For example, cardio- is a combining form derived from the Greek word cardia, meaning heart, that is added to other roots to create words related to the heart, such as cardiogram or cardiology.